Okay, one for Mia. Mia.
Entonces el sol le pega más duro y daña más.
The biggest thing is these elk will survive without us, no problem up here. They're not going to starve without us up here. Last 2 years, not last year, but the 2 years before COVID, we didn't feed them at all, and they were just fine. The reason we do this is to keep them out of Cache Valley for the winter. That's why they're fed up here. So that's why this whole project's here. This is a hunted unit, so if you guys want elk tags and stuff like that, there's 15,000 acres that belong to this WMA. Only a couple hundred. The barns and this field here is the only part you cannot hunt. But I'll be honest, I've lived here my whole life. There's never elk in this valley during the hunting season. Okay? No bullet's gonna stay right here with the road right there and hang out here. Okay? Anybody like to gather sheds for antlers?
Yeah.
Right? Would you love to come gather them here?
Yes.
Yes, you can.
Where?
Right here in the
A little more snow up there, they'll start coming down
yeah,
here.
well, last year, remember how bad the snow was last year?
Yeah.
And all the elk were out in the valley and they're down in Harley's Canyon causing wrecks.
Yeah.
That's because the snow was so bad last year. And so that's what draws them in here is the snow. And for the most part, it's the same cows year after year that'll come down here. It's the cows that set the pattern. We do have a couple bulls, if you notice that. What happens to most bum lambs, or all bum lambs, except that bum lamb, is the
Oh, yeah. Oh, look, they're over here.
It's behind you.
He tries to get a bigger every year, so he tries to eat. Yeah.
He's posing.
So I mean, you can see this bull here.